welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into its aggressive exterior, high-tech interior, thrilling performance, and whether it's still the king of the road. Let's get started. Exterior. The 2025 Mustang GT keeps its aggressive DNA while getting some serious refinements. The sharp LED headlights and signature tri-bar daytime running lights give it a mean, futuristic look. The larger grille improves airflow, and those sleek body lines scream muscle car perfection. And check out these new 19-inch alloy wheels. They not only look great but provide better grip on the road. Out back, the quad-tip active exhaust and redesigned LED taillights give it a fresh yet familiar Mustang identity. Interior. Step inside, and you'll see that Ford has gone high-tech. The cockpit now features a fully digital 12.4-inch instrument cluster that blends seamlessly with a massive 13.2-inch infotainment screen running Ford's latest Sync 4 system. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates ensure you're always connected. Plus, the customizable digital dash lets you switch between classic Mustang gauges and a track-ready display. These premium leather sport seats provide incredible support whether you're cruising or hitting the track. And with ambient lighting, the cabin truly feels futuristic while maintaining that Mustang soul. Performance. Now, let's talk power, because that's what the Mustang GT is all about. Under the hood, we have a revised 5.0-liter Coyote V8 pushing out an insane 480 horsepower and 418 pound-feet of torque. And if you go for the active exhaust option, you can bump that up to 486 horsepower. You can pair this beast with either a 6-speed manual for that old-school thrill or a 10-speed automatic for lightning-fast shifts. With a 0 to 60 time of around 4 seconds, this pony gallops faster than ever. And thanks to the new MagneRide adaptive suspension, it's sharper in the corners while still being comfortable for daily driving. So, is the 2025 Ford Mustang GT still the king of muscle cars? Absolutely. It delivers raw V8 power, modern tech, and a refined design, all while staying true to its Mustang roots. Whether you're a die-hard fan or a newcomer, this is the ultimate American muscle experience. What do you think? Drop a comment below, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more car reviews. Until next time, keep your engines roaring.